Right, so it's currently the 19th of June and this car is still stock, and I have a track day on the 9th of July. So some parts have finally arrived and I'm currently headed over to Winchester Garage to fit them. Winchester Garage to fit them. Joe's there this evening and he's going to help me out. He's probably going to help me out for a fair bit of this build, unfortunately for him. But yeah, it's stupidly hot today and the AC in this car is not the one, but we make do. I'm not looking forward to this. I'll tell you guys more about the mods when we get there. I'll also introduce you to Joe and show you his car if it's there. He's got a really cool E30. I've seen it a few times, and if you've seen my last video, well, not my last one, the one where I went to Germany, you would have seen his car there. It's a bit of a beast. But yeah, we're just cruising along. It's going to be a long evening in this heat.
So unrelated. Are you going to blow out my nipples?
Probably not.
Nice.
It is very hot in here, so I don't blame you for having your top off. But yeah, anyway, I'm here at Winchester Garage. Is it garage or garage?
Winchester Garage.
I'm here at Winchester Garage with Joseph. You're going to see a lot of him because you're going to help me do a lot of work on this car. I haven't told you that yet, but
I gathered as much.
yeah, good. And yeah, this is actually going to be the first time I've actually seen under the car as well. So I'm going to find out what's wrong with it and how much rust there is. Well, what we think at the moment. Place your bets. How much rust?
Moderate.
Moderate?
Yeah, I've seen the arches.
A decent amount.
The arches are fine. Rust weighs less than carbon. It's a track car.
You're not wrong.
We're shaving off time.
You're not wrong.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
I just can't crash.
Well, yeah, because it just...
Crumple.
Yeah,
We should
So-
do that anyway, really.
I shouldn't,
it'll become
no.
a compact.
Oh my god, that's going to be the fastest conversion ever.
Yeah, definitely.
I might also become a compact though. Right, let's we're gonna get all this stuff unboxed and get the car up in the air and give it a bit of an assessment. We're going for the HSD coilovers. We're gonna see how they are.
Nice.
I've heard mixed things.
Yeah.
They're what?
It's got a sport package sticker on it.
It is an M Sport line, model, whatever they're called. I'm low-key concerned about this dripping from everywhere.
Like, absolutely
Like
everywhere.
literally everywhere.
There is more oil on the outside of the
Car than there is
car
on the
than there is
inside.
in, yeah.
Well, you know what they say, if it's leaking oil, it's got oil. I'm not sure how much longer it can keep that up for, though. Jesus.
I want to put it back on, I don't want to look.
Oh my. Where's this thing? Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
It's a lot of oil.
That's not good.
That is a substantial amount of oil. It's actually freshly dripping.
I know. I told you it's been pissing oil.
You weren't lying.
Ho, 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 ho. Now, I'm not really a mechanic, but that's, I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
I thought you meant to put oil on the engine. Is this why you told me it was meant to go in the engine?
Yeah. Yeah.
At least you know it's not going to rust.
It's a valid point. Smart guy. Alright, let's try find this then.
Oil filter housing gasket.
Oil filter housing gasket. Oh, someone did say that actually.
Starting to leak down the side there. You can see it just starting up there.
Oh yeah.
That obviously was all cleared off a minute ago. Yeah.
fuck!
Yeah.
Using the mirror to frame myself because I can.
I can tell.
Oh, you can
Yeah,
tell.
I see. Yeah. Well done, mate.
Sorry, just gonna fuck myself then.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna watch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's film this later. We've got some shiny new coilovers ready to go on. We've assessed that the oil is fine and it doesn't need any work. That was the outcome, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Anyway, as you can see, we're taking the wheels off from the tyres. I've actually got new wheels and tyres that need to go on, but we're gonna let these settle before I come back here and we're gonna adjust them all and fit the new wheels and tyres.
You do a massive burnout, sitting on.
Absolutely not. That would be irresponsible and childish.
Irresponsible, definitely don't do that.
I will not do that.
Yeah.
But yeah, right. These are the HSD coilovers. I've read very mixed reviews on them, but I think they will last me a while and do the job. Yeah, I'm not going to film the install of these. There's a million tutorials on how to install coilovers on a 46. We're just going to chuck them on and see what happens and find out what issues there are.
By chuck them on, you mean put them on the roof, yeah? Let's see if this one does.
So the old ones are out on the front at least. Time for the new ones.
It's only going to be about a foot lower. I just gave it a little touchy squeeze, isn't it?
Weight reduction.
Nice. It's good, that.
One-way shots.
Yeah, we like that.
Oh, that's like fine.
Front is so high.
Front's so high. But,
Back is lower.
oh my god, that's so much arch gap. But I'm not even worried about it for now,
We'll let it settle.
because we're going to let it settle and put new wheels and tyres on it anyway.
Back's about right.
Back looks fine, yeah.
Bear in mind the back's going to settle as well.
Yeah.
So it's going to drop another 10 mil.
That'll be alright.
Bear in mind the rear was lifted almost as high as it will go.
Yes. It's good, it is what it is.
Several days later.
Right, I'm currently back at Winchester Garage. I forgot to update that I was here. We are adjusting the coilovers, but in the meantime, while Joe's having some dinner, I've managed to get the rear seats out. And this needs a big clean. But that can wait for now, because I can't really be bothered. The main thing is they are out, and I can take them out when I get home. But yeah, we are here to sort this atrocity. What do you say, you reckon they go higher?
Shut up.
Someone's not impressed, Jesus.
The oil. Oil.
Have you seen under the front of the car?
No, it's wet.
Have a look.
It's dripping
Have a
something
look.
on the ramp. Oh wow, it's gushing. Oh my god! Brother!
There's,
That is...
your oil has an undertray.
Oh yes!
I know.
No, it's just like,
If it was
it's
raining,
basically like
the underneath of the car would be drop... No,
automatic
than the top.
Negative
60.
What do you call Bubba?
60. You can't.
That's what I was thinking.
I don't know what you mean. Mine's literally fine.
Yours is still black and white, mate. It hasn't just.
Whoa, what's wrong with it being black?
Yeah, what the fuck?
What?
Man?
What's wrong with the black?
What's wrong with being black, man?
It's
What are you
the,
racist for?
it's the special
God's sake.
edition.
I thought we weren't.
It's going up, isn't it?
Yes.
What on earth is going on? Evening.
You're making a lot of
Careful, there's gonna be no disc left.
You're not aiming for this. What you want, Luke? Luke, you want a Wizzy wheel.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Leave the Wizzy wheel alone.
No, I'm fucking up, you one crazy.
Right, well that's not fun.
You're gonna have to spend a lot.
For everyone that thinks Hampshire Photography is a nice person, unsubscribe to him right now. Do you reckon I can sell these calipers for a fair bit of money?
Yeah, it's because they're off an M3 brawl.
How much do they go for?
£580.
Shit.
Buy it now. Get yourself a bargain.
Just the one caliper?
One careful lady owner.
Yes, and no rust.
No rust.
Don't look at that.
Same, sorted. Off you go.
You know what? That's about it.
Thoughts?
Can't fit my whole head in there now.
Oh, man. I drove the first entry.
I was expecting that to be forward.
You like it, Joe?
She doesn't look too bad now, actually.
Massive burnout.
Not on these, they're new tyres. Put some swaz on it, Gromit.
Well done.
Right, rears raised ever so slightly. What do we do, by like 5mm-ish
Yeah,
on
about
this
5
one?
mil on this one.
That one was fine. Fronts we have dropped, so they are now sitting way nicer. This is just a reminder for me, so I know which way to drive my car. Make sure it's not upside down like all the M2 boys at the moment. Don't know who's fitting in that. Oh, probably me actually. I mean nothing, what?